We have a very festive recipe called smoked turkey roulade sent in by Lucy Banker. And this recipe is a little bit complicated, but it's really, really good. We've got mango chutney.
Hot mango chutney.
Hot mango chutney.
That stuff is expensive.
Yes, it is.
And you only use a little bit, about a quarter cup in here, but is it good?
It's a good recipe to make and freeze. And you're going to use a little bit of curry powder in with some cream cheese. And you just want to mix this all up together.
You know, I made that the other night, and I put that in a little food processor.
Oh, yeah.
It mixes that stuff really
right
great.
now. It'd be done right now. And then you're going to spread the mixture on a tortilla shell.
All the way around it, of course.
Well, just cross it. And then we got red lettuce and some alfalfa sprouts and some tomatoes. I'm just going to layer this in here, basically on one side. And, of course, the smoked turkey. And this is just a smoked turkey breast, and then cut off in pieces.
That is real, Dave Bodecker.
Yes.
Smoked
Thanks,
that
Dave.
himself. Oh, I tell you, it's even better than the smoked turkey you get in the store.
Oh, absolutely. This is wild turkey.
Little pieces of cucumber
Right,
on
and that's
there
a seedless
too.
cucumber. And then alfalfa sprouts, and then you just roll it up jelly roll fashion or like a tortilla.
I made mine like a burrito, and I couldn't hardly wrap it around.
Yeah, you don't want
once.
to fill them too full because then you can't. And then you do want to chill this, and once it's chilled, then it'll
Then you
just slice it. Mhm.
I'll bet you Charlie Keenan is going to go ape over it.
When I see something like this, it makes me nervous. This this presents so well. It looks like nouveau cuisine, and I don't think there's going to be enough of it to go around. Mm-hmm. It better taste good, and there better be extras.
It does.
Oh, it's incredible.
And this,
Oh, that's a my word. That's an oh my word recipe.
oh my word.
Oh, that's one when you bite into it and you go, oh my word. That's fantastic.
Funny, what came to mind was Yumpin' Yemeni. With me.
You got a yump on Yemeni and an oh my word.
Things along those lines. But this is actual smoked wild turkey.
Right.
You know, it looks like it would be terribly healthy to eat. But I
The
bet you
alfalfa sprouts.
probably isn't, is it?
Well, yeah, it is
Probably
actually.
rich.
Yeah, cream cheese has less calories than butter, I think. So
And your turkey.
This is
rather than
almost like
beef.
eating dry toast, as it relates to being healthy for you.
Yeah, but what's it like to sit down and eat about 12 pieces of dried toast? I mean, I could easily eat this whole plate. I mean, it is really great.
Yeah, I'm about finished, and I hope there's more.
It's designed to be an appetizer, too, isn't it?
Right.
That's a shame.
Need those big ones.